Hey guys, we're going down this hill
On our whips?
Yeah, look. I guess I shouldn't do that. And I shall be going on
My rims?
I shall be going on the tip top of that mountain.
So we were both gonna run, like go down on our whips from all the way there at the tippy top right there, all the way down there. Right
But
there.
someone needs to film.
So I'm gonna do it.
You're gonna go down the hill?
Yeah, I've got to.
I wanna go down the hill.
Well, we're gonna both go down.
Alright, I'll film you, then you film me.
Okay, that's a good plan.
You film me, and I'll film you.
Why don't I go on my bike?
And you film me?
No, I film myself while I'm on the bike.
Alright.
We're gonna do that. It's gonna be super shaky. Here, just wait a few seconds. We're gonna be up there in a few.
So go grab some popcorn.
Yeah, it's gonna be a bumpy ride if you're watching this. Your iPad, phone, iPod, anything. It's gonna be bumpy. Oh. So guys, we're at the top right now. Dude, there's so many cars. Let's do this. Let's go.
Join Cub Scouts.
Let's go. We're going so fast. Oh shoot, dude. Oh.
That was so bumpy.
Dude, I shouldn't have not gone on that. It was super bumpy. Oh my god. Here, we're gonna ride our bikes a little bit more. Our whips, you know. Got that gold wheels, gold rims. Let's do this. So guys, we're gonna go down to that pool over there that you saw. Right there. See that car, the van right there? It's our mom. So we're gonna be riding down. Let's do this. Hey. What's that one? Let's do this. Oh, I think that just left me. I don't know. Dude, super bumpy. Oh my god. You guys think this is first person? I think it's pretty cool. They're racing. He's raging, man. Should I get out of here?
Yeah, go.
Okay, bye. See you another time. Freaking raged. I don't know what happened, but he went past that car and just flew, and the driver honked him. I'm like, I was scared. I don't know what he's doing back there. You can't see him, but I think he's really mad. He doesn't think he should ride his bike. So that was pretty cool, but see you next time. Jack Swag. Hope we get some more views. Can we get this video to 4 likes? That would be amazing. Bye.